What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have a high-powered dividend stock for you to check out. This has extensive dividend growth. It has excellent revenue, and you'll see it everywhere. So this is definitely on the stock to watch list for me. I'm definitely interested in it. I'm looking at it very closely. By the way, yesterday was my final video of the REIT series. This one's kind of like a bonus stock too for that one. So I'm going to go over this one. And again, you guys have been amazing on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Of course, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. So let's check this readout right now. That dividend stock is Life Storage. It's sitting at 102.73. Average volume 697.12K. Market cap 8.73 billion US dollars. G range is 94.02 to 151.76. Day range was 101.17 to 103.84. And its previous close was 101.82. Now, looking at these guys, okay, they've done very well against the S&P in the past 5 years. That is very attractive. So that kind of looks like a traditional and/or Roth IRA style stock because look how it's done against the S&P. You want the net asset value or your net worth or net asset value to do very well and beat the S&P. That's kind of my philosophy when it comes to a traditional and/or Roth IRA. So let's look a little bit more into these guys. On their website, Life Storage is an integrated, self-administered, self-managed real estate investment trust that acquires and manages self-storage properties throughout the United States. Headquartered in Buffalo, New York, the company employs over 2,000 people and operates approximately 1,175 self-storage facilities encompassing over 68 million square feet in 37 states and the District of Columbia. So that's very interesting. They right here, just some information. They currently operate under the name Life Storage. It is one of the largest self-storage companies in the world. Prior to 2017, the company operated under the brand Uncle Bob's Self-Storage. So look at this. 1985, they started the first storage facility. And then look, they were at 100 stores in 1996. 98, they got to 200. And then 99, Uncle Bob's brand boxes and moving supplies hit stores. And then in right here, they had 300 stores in 2006, so there's some huge expansion. 2011, 400 stores. 2014, 500 stores. 2017, 600. 2019, 800. 2021, 1,000. And then look, they have implemented for payments rentals. So they also, are adapting with technology, which is very attractive. So let's check out their revenue and dividend history. And from a financial standpoint, these guys are very strong. This is in millions US dollars. 2015, 366, 2016, 462, 2017, 529, 2018, 550, 2019, 574, 2020, 616, 2021, 788. So there is a huge increase in revenue from 2015 to 2021, which is attractive. And as you know, 90% of what you make go back to shareholders if you are a real estate investment trust. That's the law. That's the rules. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Now let's check a few more things. Also, they have an excellent stock split history. So 95, they were 2 for 1. 2000, they were 2 for 1. In 2021, they were 3 for 2. So I wanted to bring that up as well. Now let's check out a few more things. So here's some information on their website. So they generated net income attributed to common shareholders of $98.5 million or $1.16 per fully diluted common share. This is in November 2022. Achieved adjusted funds from operations, FFO. I always emphasize that. Per fully diluted common share of $1.73, a 26.3% increase over the same period in 2021, and an increase of $1.65 per diluted common share and adjusted for FFO in the second quarter in 2022. Increase the same store revenue by 14.9% and the same store net operating income, NOI, by 18.4% year over year. Acquired 11 wholly owned stores for $217.5 million and one consolidated joint venture store for $29.0 million, with the company's net investment of $24.1 million. 5 of these stores were added to the company's party management platform. So right there, I mean, this is really good. So another thing that I find very positive, for the 5th consecutive year, the company was awarded Newsweek's Best Customer Service Award in in America for 2023. Life Storage is the longest running recipient of Storage Center's category. So that's really cool. Now let's check out their dividend history. Let's just start in 2021. This is the recent stuff. It was 74 cents to 86 cents to $1, then to 108 in 2022, and then 2023 120. So the dividend growth in 5 years is 10.67%. So if you bought one share, you made 480 with a 4.67% dividend yield. Number of dividend increases the last 5 years is 6, and the payout ratio is 69%. Now these guys are in demand, so they appear to be a pandemic-proof and recession-proof stock. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to try to squeeze in a shorts video because I'm going to start doing those off and on. I may try to do a video and a short in a day, just to try to squeeze in those, because I think shorts are, some videos don't have to be 10 minutes long. I can just be straightforward, like how many shares would, do I own, and what's my goal with how many shares. So I'm going to do some dividend investing strategies with some of my shorts that I have. So make sure you hit that notification bell after you subscribe and check my shorts feed. You guys take care and have a good one.